I think it's indeed like pressure because digital transformation is not something that you come and speak in a session and go. You continue to persistently helping bringing the technologies together and doing a lot of research, a lot of survey. In fact, some of your reports are quite useful, for us to know what others, our fellow CIOs are thinking. Thanks for being there and thanks for supporting the digital transformation. And so good morning, everyone. I actually gone through the reports and some of the burning questions that you asked. In my view, the punctuation I would say is actually the quote, because the focus has actually come back to the digital transformation. And if you really even say a little bit of formatting, I would say it's bold and underlined now, right? So that's how I really see the digital transformation. One of the most important, thing that I really felt comfortable during this particular unfortunate environment is earlier we had to really spend a lot of effort and time to really convince the key stakeholders on the value of the investment and the technology. Today, I think the situation or the environment really brought that realization very easily. So I don't think the CIOs need to go back and kind of convince or even make any presentation to really like the top management and why would really need to spend time and money and effort on that. So that way, if you really see, for me, like in a general statement, every challenge is an opportunity. For digital transformation area, this is a huge approach and opportunity. Specific to my particular industry that I especially currently I'm supporting, which is the dental industry. In the top 100 industries that really got affected during the COVID, in 100 plus, I think 100, six out of top 10 were actually from the dental, right? Whether it's a dental, dentistry or dental lab industry or anything around dental space. So we were supposed to kind of completely blacked out, and we were supposed to kind of let go of people, etc. Because we were also in the manufacturing. So we had to really be in the office. We can't do anything, work from home and things like that. But the way I think as an organization, we came together and we kind of did a lot of our own internal strategies and had partnerships with our customers. I would say it was just a pause for a few weeks, I would say, and we recovered so quickly. In fact, our the way we closed month of June, it was better than month of February. So I would say from the business perspective, we were able to really recover very quickly. Whereas in the terms of transformation of the technology or the digital roadmap, I would say the busiest quarter for me in the last 3 years was actually between March to June, and we were extremely working very hard. The accomplishment that as a digital transformation team we kind of were able to do was amazing, because the focus from each and every other stakeholders were so high on the technology. So they were willing to listen to us. They had years to listen to us. Just a couple of business use cases, I would say. When we were into the process of bringing a collaboration platform between our customers and the manufacturing plants and the dentist and the patients, we had to really took a lot of time to really reach out to every part of this with 2 months, and the entire kind of finally launched is a digital dental highway. The way that people understood that and the way they started adopting that, how the digital transformation is not just it's a luxury, but it actually can really bail them out in kind of situations. So work from home was a challenge for us, but because we did not prepare, because we never thought industries like manufacturing would ever need to be working from home. And especially with some kind of the digital services that we were doing it requires high-end bandwidth, and due to the lockdowns, we were not able to provide some of the services to people at home and things like that. But within I would say in 2 weeks time, we were able to really bring back, and our productivity has gone up so high and things really changed. So honestly speaking, for me, it was just a very small pause, but we really we are actually completely in the next phase of our industrial revolution within the dental space. So I think for me it's the greatest opportunity on the business side of it. And if you ask me, is it a it's going to just as a temporary. No, it's good. In fact, it changed the way the people look at it. Now the demand is very high on the digital transformation, and some of the initiatives we did were like from the dental office to the lab and that to the the design centers, the complete workflow. It's going to be completely seamless workflow, and people realize that with the less number of resources, they can still achieve their the kind of EBITDA, and they can really have a better turnaround time and lot better visibility in terms of the reports and business intelligence, etc. So for me, I would say it is a very very positive environment. Definitely there was a situation like we have to really let go people, a lot of furloughs happened, salaries were cut, etc. But comes to the budget of the digital transformation, actually budget has gone up. And this particular year, if you really look at it, most of the budgets that we were planning for, like people traveling and having exhibitions and events, all that money is actually now diverted towards the digital transformation. So for me, that again, if you say it's a increased budget, increased expectation, and most important thing is the real implementation of the digital transformation is happening now. Earlier it was more of trying to sell the concept internally. Now things are getting adopted, implemented. People are really able to see the value of the investment and the technology transformation. So for me, it's a real great momentum. We have, as a CIO, we have to really ensure that we understand the business side of it, so that we are part of the kind of board meetings, not just representing the technology, but we are supposed to be part of the the business transformation, and we're supposed to support. And I think in our industry we did that, and now we are part of the core meetings, like where investors do not take any decision without consulting with us. So I think that way it's a I would say one of the best moment for us.